brown butter rice. So I've already browned the butter, you can see, but that lovely brown.
It makes it very nutty and fragrant. Yeah, and you're just developing the flavor in the solids in the butter. So you've got that great nutty fragrance all through the house. It's really yum.
You almost can't distinguish whether it's something sweet or something savory, but it works really well with the tandoori chicken. So I browned the butter, and this is really simple, like very simple. I've got 500 grams of rice that I've washed, drained, and I'm gonna whack that straight into that brown butter. And the butter's hot, so I'm gonna whack that straight in. Just whack the heat up on that, and then get that rice in.
That's about a pound, guys, for those of you who don't buy in grams. That's about a pound.
So you whack the heat up, and this is the point where you kind of warm the rice up a little bit. So you're kind of just bringing it up, and then you can see as it warms up, you get this kind of white coating around your rice, which is exactly what you want. And you feel it kind of stick to the base. As soon as you hear that sizzle, and then you've coated the rice and the butter, season it really well. A good sprinkling of salt, and then take your water, and then you whack your water straight in. And rice could not be easier. Rice is so easy to cook. So you turn that heat right up, and then give it all a really good mix. And you keep doing that. Just keep an eye on it. Give it an occasional stir till it really gets fierce and starts to bubble. And as soon as it starts to bubble, it'll start to soak up that water. And then you'll see the water evaporate, and the grains of rice will be so much more visible. At that point, you turn the heat completely down. You turn it right down, and then you pop the lid on.
Yep.
And then just grab my lid. You let it boil up. You pop the lid on, move it to a side, lower the heat completely, and just get it out of the way. And then you leave that to just steam for about 10 minutes at most. And then what you're left with is this. Let me grab a fork. Let me show you. Delicious.
Just fluff it up. Oh, beautiful. Brava, brava.
Oh, yes. Thank you for the round of applause. Thank you. Nobody ever gives me a round of applause at home. I really wish they did, but they never do. But look at that. Got perfect, fluffy, buttery. And you can see how it's taken on that brown butter color. It's perfect.